In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on microphone on iPhone settings. Literally, there are some applications that use your iPhone microphone by default, and this include the FaceTime application on your iPhone, Snapchat, Instagram, WhatsApp, and even the Facebook Messenger when you want to do video or voice call on either of these applications. So if the microphone is not turned on or this app is not allowed to use your iPhone microphone, you will not be able to use them and you'll be prompted to either turn on the microphone to use the application or to forfeit using the voice function or video function of this application. So if you don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn on microphone on your iPhone settings, all you need to do is go to the settings app on your iPhone. This is very compulsory. Then scroll down until you get to privacy and security and click on that. Then under privacy and security, locate the microphone function. Then click on that. Once you click on the microphone function, you see all the applications that need access to your iPhone microphone before they can work. In this case, you can see I have the Instagram application, Snapchat, and WhatsApp. So if I choose to turn off the WhatsApp microphone on my iPhone settings, and then I'll not be able to make a voice call without enabling this. So let's go ahead and open WhatsApp on my iPhone, just like this. Then open the WhatsApp application and then click on chat, locate the phone you want to use. You can see to place calls, WhatsApp needs access to your iPhone microphone. Tap settings and turn on microphone. If you click on settings here, you'll be prompted to turn on the WhatsApp microphone on your iPhone. So if you now click on microphone here, this is going to allow WhatsApp to use the microphone. And if you come back to the settings we had before, here under settings, then go to security and privacy, then click on microphone. You see that WhatsApp is already enabled. So before you can use this application on your WhatsApp, you need to turn on the microphone settings. So this is how you can easily turn on microphone on your iPhone settings. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.